league through. It's Jacob Murphy released. Murphy one-on-one. Jacob Murphy to win it. Just put it in the net. He's played it straight.
It's Sterling, who couldn't have put it higher and wider if he tried.
Yeah, but I've got...
There's Casemiro, a little pull on the shirt there by Winks, which was... Bernardo Silva. Oh, that's a terrible penalty. Straight at the goalkeeper who never moved. It was like chipping practice. How strange.
Oh my goodness, he looks down at the penalty spot, and that is one of the worst penalties I've seen in a long, long time.
I am Harry Kane. Please listen.